Have you ever heard the phrase, "It takes years to make money"? Well, I'm here to tell you that's a myth. What if I told you that making $25,000 in just minutes isn't a fantasy? In fact, it's a reality that's within your reach right now. Imagine having the ability to manifest or attract that amount of money at the snap of your fingers. Sounds crazy, right? But let's face it. We've all been caught up in the traditional narrative of working hard for years, saving every penny, and waiting for that big break. We've been taught to believe that financial freedom is something that happens after a long, uphill battle. But here's the thing. What if the secret to unlocking this kind of wealth has nothing to do with how long you work or how much you sacrifice? In the next few minutes, I'm going to share the secret that's helped countless individuals break free from the cycle of struggle and create instant wealth. It's not about luck or waiting for the perfect opportunity. It's about shifting your mindset and tapping into a strategy that accelerates your success. Ready to find out how? Let's dive in. The concept of parallel realities suggests that multiple versions of your life exist simultaneously, each representing a different potential outcome based on the choices you make. These realities are not distant or separate from the one you're currently living, but coexist in the same moment. Essentially, every decision you make, no matter how small, creates a new branch of reality, giving rise to infinite possibilities. Right now, in one of these parallel worlds, a version of you is living the life you've always dreamed of, experiencing joy, abundance, and fulfillment. This ideal reality is not some far-off fantasy. It's already happening right now, in the same timeline you're on. The key to accessing this version of yourself is shifting your focus and energy. By tuning into the frequency of your ideal reality and aligning with the decisions, emotions, and actions that version of you is taking, you can consciously step into that parallel timeline. You are already living multiple realities, and the only thing standing between you and your ideal life is your ability to connect with the version of you who is already living it. It's time to consciously tap into that reality and manifest it into your present moment. Quantum leaping is the process of shifting your perception and becoming the observer of a different version of yourself. It's not about waiting for your ideal life to happen, but actively choosing to experience it now. Instead of being stuck in your current reality, you can shift your awareness to the version of you that's already living the life you desire. By consciously stepping into that role, you begin to change your reality. Time, as we perceive it, is just a construct, a tool to help us make sense of the world. You are not bound by a specific timeline. While 30 days may seem like a reasonable frame to make changes, the truth is that transformation can occur instantly. When you align with your higher self and embrace the belief that change is possible, the shift becomes immediate. Time isn't a barrier. It's simply a way to measure progress. The key to quantum leaping lies in letting go of any attachment to time. When you release that constraint and trust that you can manifest change in the present moment, you step into your ideal reality. Your belief in your power to create and shift is what drives this instant transformation. Harnessing the law of attraction is a powerful tool for your quantum leap. The law of attraction is built on the principle that like attracts like, meaning your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs create a vibrational frequency that draws experiences matching that frequency. If you're operating at a higher vibration, you naturally begin to attract a reality that mirrors that energy. Conversely, if you're stuck in a low vibrational state of fear, doubt, or scarcity, you'll attract more of those experiences into your life. A crucial aspect of this process is shifting your focus from scarcity to abundance. If you constantly focus on lack, that's what you'll attract, more lack. However, by intentionally focusing on abundance, whether it's through gratitude, visualization, or positive affirmations, you start to open yourself up to receiving more of what you desire. Abundance isn't just about money, it's about energy, opportunities, and experiences. To make your quantum leap, it's essential to raise your frequency to match the reality you wish to live. This can be done by cultivating emotions such as joy, gratitude, peace, and excitement. As you align with a higher vibrational state, you'll naturally attract a reality that reflects the life you're ready to live. Realities are essentially vibrational frequencies, each one shaped by your thoughts, emotions, and energy. Every version of your life exists at a unique frequency, and the reality you experience is a direct reflection of the frequency you're vibrating at. When you elevate your vibration, you align with a reality where your dreams are already a part of your experience. Essentially, the reality you desire is already out there, just waiting for you to match its frequency. The key to accessing this higher reality lies in your feelings. Your emotions are the bridge between your current reality and the ideal version of your life. To shift into a new reality, focus on the feelings that define it, whether it's joy, peace, excitement, or abundance. By immersing yourself in these emotions, you begin to resonate at the frequency of your desired reality. Reprogramming your energy through feeling is a powerful tool for quantum leaping. Take time each day to visualize your ideal life and fully embrace the emotions associated with it. This emotional shift helps you recalibrate your vibration, allowing you to attract and manifest that reality into your present moment. The more consistently you feel these emotions, the quicker you'll see the changes unfold in your life. Step 1 in your journey to quantum leaping is to craft a detailed day in the life of your ideal self. Start with the morning wake-up routine. What is the first thing your ideal self thinks about when she wakes up? Does she express gratitude for the day ahead? Maybe she takes a few moments to meditate or set an intention to guide her actions throughout the day. How does she greet the morning? With excitement, peace, or anticipation of the opportunities the day holds? Next, focus on her mindset and emotions. How does she feel throughout the day? Does she maintain a positive attitude even in challenging situations? Does she radiate confidence, stay grounded, and exude calmness under pressure? By visualizing these emotional states, you begin to align with the same mindset. When daily challenges arise, how does she respond? Does she approach problems with curiosity and excitement, viewing them as opportunities for growth and learning? Your ideal self sees obstacles as stepping stones toward her goals. Lastly, describe her daily routine and practices. Does she practice yoga, journal, or enjoy a nourishing breakfast? How does she balance work and relaxation, ensuring that she stays aligned with her values and well-being? Creating a detailed vision of her life is the first step in stepping into this version of yourself. Step 2 of your quantum leap journey is to identify the core emotions of your ideal life. Pinpoint 3 key feelings that define the reality you want to create. Is it peace, freedom, abundance, joy, or perhaps a combination of these? These emotions will serve as your emotional blueprint, what you'll aim to feel and embody in every area of your life. By clearly identifying these core emotions, you create a roadmap for the energy you want to align with moving forward. Once you've defined these feelings, the next step is to connect to their frequency regularly. Whenever you feel disconnected or off track, return to these emotions to recenter yourself. Whether you're dealing with a tough decision or facing uncertainty, tapping into the emotions of your ideal life will remind you of the energy you want to cultivate and help you stay aligned with your desired reality. Emotional anchoring is a powerful tool in this process. Throughout your day, whenever you encounter challenges or need to make decisions, tap into your core feelings and use them as anchors. Let these emotions guide your choices, actions, and reactions. By consistently reconnecting with the feelings of your ideal life, you'll naturally attract experiences that match the emotional frequency you're embodying. Step 3 of your quantum leap process is to engage in daily visualization. Spend 2 to 3 minutes each day focusing on the experience of your ideal day. Choose a time that works best for you, whether in the morning to set the tone for your day or before bed to reflect on your desires. The key is to immerse yourself fully in the visualization, creating a deep connection with the version of your life you wish to manifest. When you visualize, don't just imagine the events of the day, really focus on how they make you feel. Picture yourself in the situations you want, experiencing the emotions of success, peace, joy, or whatever feelings define your ideal life. These emotions are the key to shifting your vibration and aligning with the reality you desire. Take your visualization to the next level by engaging all your senses. See the sights, hear the sounds, and feel the emotions as vividly as possible. The more detailed and immersive your visualization, the stronger the energetic connection to that reality. You're not just imagining an ideal day, you're feeling it, living it, and allowing your subconscious to fully accept it as your truth. This practice helps bring that ideal life closer to your present moment. Step 4 in your quantum leap process is to connect with your higher self, the version of you already living your ideal life. To begin, take a moment to visualize this higher self clearly in your mind's eye. What does she look like? How does she carry herself? Observe her confidence, peace, and the energy she radiates. This version of you holds the wisdom and experience of living the life you desire, and she's ready to share those insights with you. Ask your higher self the key question: what decisions did you make that led you here? Trust that the answers will come, whether in the form of subtle thoughts, feelings, or insights. Don't expect grand revelations immediately. The guidance may come in small, simple nudges that offer clarity on your path. As you channel into your higher self, remain open to receiving messages and intuitive insights. These messages may guide you toward the decisions, actions, and mindset shifts necessary to align with your ideal reality. The more you connect with this higher version of yourself, the clearer your path becomes, and the more aligned you'll feel with the life you're meant to live. Trust in this process, knowing your higher self is always there to guide you. Step 5 in your quantum leap process is about committing to the decisions your higher self guides you to. Once you receive intuitive insights or guidance, whether it's a small shift or a bold move, trust that it's leading you closer to your ideal life. Your higher self knows the way, and even if the path feels intimidating or uncertain, trust that this guidance is in your highest good. Often, the most powerful shifts in your life come with fear or discomfort. These emotions are a natural part of growth, and they signal that you're stepping outside your comfort zone. Embrace the fear, knowing that transformation occurs when you push through the boundaries of what's familiar. It's in these moments of discomfort that true change happens. Start small, but always think big. Even the tiniest action, when aligned with your higher self's guidance, is a step toward your ideal reality. As you begin to take action, your confidence will grow, and you'll naturally start to take bigger leaps. The key is consistency. Each step forward, no matter how small, brings you closer to becoming the person you've always envisioned. Commit to the process, trust your intuition, and watch how the universe aligns to support your transformation. Step 6 in your quantum leap journey is to use breathwork to calm your nervous system. Whenever you feel doubt, fear, or unease, engage in simple breathwork techniques to reset your body and mind. These techniques are designed to ground you in the present moment, release stress, and help you regain a sense of balance. Breathwork is a powerful tool for overcoming moments of anxiety and uncertainty, allowing you to center yourself and continue on your path with clarity. One effective technique is the 4-4-4 breathing method. Inhale deeply for a count of 4. Hold for 4 seconds, exhale for 4 seconds, and hold again for 4. Repeat this cycle several times until you feel your nervous system begin to relax and your energy stabilizes. As you focus on your breath, you activate your body's natural relaxation response, helping to clear mental clutter and reduce the physical tension that can accompany stress. Calmness is essential for clarity and decision-making. When your nervous system is balanced, you're better able to tap into your intuition and make decisions from a place of peace, rather than fear or impulse. This practice allows you to approach life with a clear mind, ready to take bold steps toward your ideal reality. Step 7 in your quantum leap process is about consistently raising your frequency through daily practices of visualization and aligned action. Make these practices a non-negotiable part of your routine. Every time you visualize your ideal life and take inspired action toward it, you align more deeply with your higher self and raise your vibrational frequency. The more often you engage in these practices, the more natural they will become and the more powerful the shift in your energy. Staying aligned with your intuition is key. As you take actions based on the guidance you receive, notice how your frequency increases. You'll begin to feel more confident, energized, and in tune with your desires. This alignment with your inner wisdom is what propels you toward your ideal reality. Even when doubts and fears arise, remember that they are natural parts of growth and should not hold you back. Resistance is normal, but overcoming it is essential for your transformation. When you push through discomfort and reaffirm your commitment to your vision, you raise your frequency even higher. Trust in the process and know that every step you take from a place of trust and alignment brings you closer to the version of you already living your ideal life. And there you have it. The secret to unlocking $25,000 in minutes, contrary to everything you've been told. It's not about working harder. It's about shifting your mindset and tapping into opportunities that are already available to you. If you found this helpful and are ready to start applying these strategies in your own life, drop a comment below and let me know what's holding you back from taking action. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What's your next big goal? If you're ready to level up and want to learn more, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips on how to create real, lasting wealth. You don't have to wait for your ideal life to show up. Start now and watch things transform. Thanks for watching, and remember, your next big leap is just one decision away. Catch you in the next video.